How to record audio. To begin, I added a video to my timeline and I want to record audio for it. If you have no empty track, right-click on the start of any of the audio tracks and select Add Track to create a new track. If you can't see the microphone icon, right-click on the track and select Customize, then click on Reset Layout, and click OK. Now to record audio, click on the microphone button, and record the sound that you want. I just play this music and record it. If for some reason it is not recording, right-click on the beginning of audio track and select Voice over Record Settings. In the pop-up window, make sure the source is set to your desired microphone device. Also, you can disable or change the 3 seconds you wait after hitting record button from here. Then select Close. Pay attention that this recorded audio is also added to your project panel. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.